Hello, welcome back. In today's video we'll be showing you how to resolve the issue of a flashing light for the black ink cartridge of the Canon Pixma. This model is the E3370, but this video will apply to all other models in the Pixma series, so if yours isn't this exact printer, don't worry, this video still might be able to help you. So, the reason why you may be getting this indication, it could be a few different reasons. The main one is an empty cartridge, which is the most common reason, and this is quite an easy fix. All you have to do is replace the ink cartridge, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Another reason, maybe it's incorrectly installed, so it could be mislodged or something might be in the way. It could also be the protective tab of the ink cartridge, which you will need to remove. I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. And then it also could be the cartridge compatibility. So if you're putting the wrong cartridge in, then of course it won't fit, and you may need to replace that and put a different one in. So I'm going to show you now how to reseat the cartridge. The first thing you're going to do is turn on the printer, and then we want to come to the lower area where you'll see the cartridges for the printer. They will need to reset all the way to this position. You're going to want to wait until it stops moving. If you try to interact with it whilst it's moving, it may cause problems and you may break it, so you really want to make sure you wait. Now, on these models of printers, you'll see there will always be a sticker to show you which one is which for the ink cartridge. So you have the black and then the color on the left. So the way to remove it is you're going to want to press down very slightly on the ink cartridge. You'll feel it drop down, and then just simply slide it out like so, and keep it level. And that's how to remove it. And as you can see, there's nothing in the way, so it should be connecting properly. And also you'll see on the bottom of the ink cartridge, the tab has been removed, so this won't be the issue. And also, this is a brand new ink cartridge, so it's full. And if you need to put a new ink cartridge in, of course you take it out the packet. We do have another video explaining exactly how to do this. I'll show you now as well. So what you're going to want to do, whilst it's in this position, you take your new ink cartridge, you slide it in, and of course all these components are plastic, so don't try to force it in, otherwise you may break it. And you just push until you hear a little click, and that should be in position now. And then if this hasn't resolved the issue, if the light is still flashing, then what you're going to want to do is to turn off the printer, unplug it so it's completely off, give it a few moments to reset, and once it's completely shut down, then you can go ahead and plug it right back in. Turn on your printer, and this should have resolved your issue. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If it's been really useful for you, please feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also check out our other videos. They're really useful for all your models of printers, and they can be quite helpful if you have any other issues. Thank you.